Now, no, I'm not just talking about money belts. If you're going on a cruise or you're traveling, these genius travel items are going to keep your items safe and you feeling secure. Hi there, I'm Ilana from the website lifewhilecruise.com. Welcome back to my channel. Now, so many of you told me that you're going on a cruise or you're traveling, maybe in Europe, and you are worried about pickpockets, about theft, and keeping your items safe. Now, whether you're on a cruise ship, you're on the beach, or you're in a city in a cruise port of call, these items are truly genius. Now, I actually kept this one right here because it is small and I need to remember to show it to you. But I have about 15 different items, all from Amazon, to share with you today. Now, before I get started, I wanted to mention two things. Firstly, the links to all of the different items that I'm going to be sharing with you in the video are going to be down in the description below this video, as well as in a pinned comment. And secondly, if you like this video, if you find it helpful, informative, or enjoyable in any way, then please do give this video a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Let's get started. All right, I want to start off with something new and practical, at least for me. Now, truthfully, I have seen this, in some videos over the last few years, but I've never bought it before. Now, if you're thinking, Ilana, that's a scrunchie, it is more than a scrunchie. It is a little hidden pocket scrunchie. Now, what can you hide in this pocket? Well, you can hide money. So if you're on a cruise and you want to bring a little bit of cash with you, maybe for the bartenders or anybody, or you're going on an excursion and you don't want to have a purse with you, but you want to have a little bit of money with you, you can put it right in here. And you can put some other items as well. So even if you're going out and you just don't want to bring a big bag, you can put lipstick and other items right in here. Oh, and by the way, if you don't want to put it in your hair, you can even wear it around your wrist. A waterproof phone pouch and lanyard. Now, this is actually more than a lanyard. It really is a high quality strap. Now, I've had one of these before, but I recently bought this, I guess about 2 months ago or so. Since then, I did have a chance to try it in the ocean. Of course, it works really well. If you have the old one, that's also going to work well. But the benefit to this one is the fact that it is a higher quality. So when it comes to actually like taking photos and videos when you're in the water, this is going to work so much better. A personal safe. Now, I actually like this one because I have another one of those lockbox safes, but that is quite a bit larger. So I think that this is more practical. By the way, it comes with this handy wire. So if you don't want to just leave this in your luggage or leave this in your hotel room, what you could do is actually use this wire. It's very secure and it attaches here with a combination lock, but you can actually leave this attached to the closet rod or somewhere else that's very secure in your room or cabin, and then it won't be taken away. Now, in your cabin, I have to say, I think you're absolutely fine using the cabin safe, but I know a lot of people do worry a little bit more when it comes to hotel rooms. Please do let me know when you're in a hotel, do you use the safe or not? Please let me know down in the comments below. Now, just to show you in terms of size, this fits a passport, it fits a phone as well, and of course, credit cards and cash. Now, speaking of passports, you're going to want to protect it with an RFID passport protector, and credit cards can go in a credit card protector. So you just place it in here. Now, I did want to let you know, if you have a passport holder that's already RFID protected, you are not going to need this. But I know a lot of people don't necessarily want to go with something very bulky that they're putting right into their travel bag. So if you are traveling a little bit lighter, this is something that's very practical to have. And by the way, all of the links to the videos that I'm showing you in this video are going to be linked down below. Now, if you've watched my videos before, you know that I travel with this passport holder. It's a family passport holder. I find it handy, even if it's for my husband and myself. If my son is traveling with us, I find it handy too. There's a lot of room. It also has, our Nexus. And by the way, these are RFID protected. So it really is quite important. So if you don't have that, make sure that you do use one of these. But I like this because I keep my money inside here. I even have this part here where I can put my boarding pass if I like, as well as any documents to board my cruise. And this passport holder is quite new. It's genius because you have room for an AirTag right here. And just a little tip, you'll want to make use of AirTags or another form of Bluetooth tracker if you're not already. You want to make sure that you put them in all of your pieces of luggage, in your handbag, carry-on, passport, etc. Not only is this very handy when you are flying, but even when you get on board your cruise, if you're wondering, has my luggage been delivered already? This is something that you can check. And by the way, something that happens sometimes is the crew delivers the luggage to the wrong deck or to another cabin. So at least if you have to, you can track this down as well. An anti-theft travel bag. Now I'm going to show you this and then I'm going to show you these. So firstly, an anti-theft travel bag. Now this is by the brand Travel On and it really is a classic and it's available in different colors, but it really is the perfect travel bag with splash-proof straps. And by the way, these are adjustable and as well you have several different pockets. But what I did want to show you is take a look at their zippers. Not only are they very solid, but they do have this little thing here. I'm going to show you. This here is how you'll actually secure your zipper so that you're not going to have any pickpockets that are going to open up your bag, maybe slip their hand under yours and open this. It is completely secure. And they have some other pockets as well. And these also attach to the little rings right here. Now, if you prefer a smaller bag, I've had this Travel On bag for a few years. They really are very handy. It's a smaller size and I can wear it crossbody. So if I do want to wear something more casual, I really like this for traveling. Okay, so what if you have a bag that you really love, or maybe you just want to make sure that your luggage is secure? Well, look at these tiny little clips. You put those two little zippers together and you automatically transform a regular backpack into something theft-proof. Now, I picked up a package of, I think it's 5 or 6, so I can put these on all of my different items. All right, now for the guys. I know the guys are always asking, we want to see more items that we could use. And by the way, everything is able to be used by everybody. But I do think that this looks particularly good on a man. So it's basically a fanny pack or a bum bag, or a lot of men these days wear it crossbody as well. It's very solid. Also, honestly, not very expensive, but still a very good quality, available on Amazon. What I like about this bag is on the inside, so what would be against you is actually like a hidden zippered pocket. So you can put your passport and you can put other items like money, credit card, etc. right in there, and it's right against your body. Now, I do have a little tip though. If you are out in a city where pickpockets are more common, make sure that you keep this on you at all times, even if you're eating like in a restaurant. Don't put it down on the chair beside you. And that applies to women as well with our handbags. Now, I have a feeling I have Europe a little bit on my mind. I have a cruise announcement that I'm going to be making soon, but I did get some of these things for a reason. Please let me know, what is your next cruise coming up? Are you going to Europe? Are you going to the Caribbean? Are you going to Alaska? Let me know down in the comments below. Luggage tag holders. Now you might be wondering, luggage tag holders, what makes these a good item to bring if you don't want your things to get stolen or lost? Well, it has to do with your luggage. If you have black luggage, gray luggage, navy luggage, or even like me, I've been using level 8 luggage for a while, and I'm starting to see more people actually have that luggage. If you want to make sure somebody else doesn't pick up your piece of luggage by mistake, a colorful luggage tag is absolutely perfect. Now, I do have a little tip for you. It has space where you can put your personal information here. A little tip that I heard, and I think is very good, is don't put your personal address or even your phone number. Instead, put your email address so somebody can contact you there. Now, by the way, these luggage tag holders that are very bright and colorful also come with these metal holders, which are nice and secure. The phone tether. If you are worried about somebody grabbing your phone and running away with it, which is something that can happen when you're traveling, especially in more populated areas, or honestly dropping your phone into the sea, this is very handy. You simply place this between your phone and the phone case and it stays completely secure. And then you can wear this right around your wrist and it does stretch out. A money belt. Now, even though I said this video is not going to be about money belts, a money belt is still very practical. Now, personally, I like this one in beige just because it is my skin tone, or Frank's skin tone generally. So I think if you're wearing even a white shirt, it won't show over it, but you get the color that works for you. But what I really like about this is, first of all, this one is comfortable. So that's something good. But you do, of course, have all of these pouches It goes around your waist securely. And if you really are concerned and you want to make sure everything is secure, there's no better place than under your clothing where nobody else can see it. And this new item that I got recently, it is so smart. You put this around your neck and you can wear it crossbody like you would a bag, and you can be like completely hands-free if you want. It's the same concept as the one with the wrist. You're going to place that right in between your phone case and your phone. It's going to stay nice and secure, but this can be worn around your neck or crossbody. Now, I have one other item to share, but I did want to let you know that at the end of this video, I'm going to leave another video with 40 different cruise essentials. So if you're thinking about what do I need for my cruise, you can watch that video right after this. The waterproof waist pouch. This is absolutely genius if you're going into a pool, probably not in the cruise ship. I think you're going to be fine if you leave your items right on your chair, as long as they're not valuable, by the way. But if you're going to a local beach, definitely don't leave your items on your towel or on your lounge chair. Instead, put all of your different items right into this waterproof waist pouch, and you could just wear it while you're snorkeling, doing a lazy river, or even swimming at the beach. Now, if you've tried any of these different items, please let me know down in the comments below. And if you have other items to recommend, please share that as well. I know that it is going to be a fabulous resource for everybody. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Bye for now, and happy cruising.